like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school.
So today we are harvesting broccoli with a custom broccoli harvester that's made by Wurdinger Manufacturing. This is our first year running it. It's 6 rows wide. We're in Imperial broccoli right now, so it's compared to Eiffel, which is a different variety. Imperial is short and kind of stubby, like the stalk, where Eiffel is it's more tall and lengthy. So we're harvesting this broccoli. Gets cut, pulled up onto an auger table to help separate leaves out from the heads. Then it gets put into a cart that is also made by Wurdingers. It holds about 10 Norpack boxes. Oh, and we're running this harvester on our reverse station, Fendt 930. We also run our cauliflower harvester with this tractor in the reverse station. Yeah, it's pretty amazing what it does. With the rest of this field, you probably have a little over 100 acres left this season, so we'll be done in about a month or so. But yeah, it's working great. We're loving it.
It tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun.